Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I am so glad you decided to click on my video. My name is Alexis and I make all kinds of different videos, lifestyle, vlogs. I hope to make a lot of travel videos in the future, and that is why I am making this vlog right now. It is currently my spring break week here at Wright State. I am going to Gatlinburg, Tennessee with 5 of my other friends. We're piling down in 2 cars. We're gonna go down there and stay in a super awesome cabin right in the middle of the woods. We're gonna be like living up on a mountain. It's gonna be so beautiful. I have personally been to Gatlinburg and like the Pigeon Forge, Smoky Mountain area, oh gosh, 6, 7, 8 times. I don't know. It's been my family's favorite vacation spot, and to go there with my friends is gonna be such an unforgettable experience. I'm super excited. So I figured I'd make this video today to show you what I like to bring to Tennessee. Now, I will say, if you're watching this video to kind of figure out what you should bring to Tennessee, I am going like the first week of March. So there is going to be snow, there is going to be rain, there's not gonna be a whole lot of sun. I think the forecast that I checked like a few hours ago said that the warmest it's gonna be is like 48 and the low is gonna be 17. So it's not gonna really feel like spring at all. It doesn't feel like spring to me. Anyway, I am super excited to be there though, so I'm gonna show you everything that I'm bringing. So if you're going to Gatlinburg in the spring break area, March, April, you know, that time of the year, this will be the perfect video for you. I have been there so many times. I know the area like the back of my hand. So let's get on right into this video. Since I'm only going to be there for 5 days, I decided to take 5 short sleeve shirts and 5 long sleeve shirts. I've got 2 Ivory Ella shirts that I'm taking, 1 Columbia, and 2 super cute DZ shirts, and this amazing Corgi shirt too. And I also have 2 shirts that represent Ohio, and also 2 basic colored long shirts, and of course a sweatshirt to represent the Raiders. Even though the low is going to be 17 degrees, the cabin does have a hot tub, so we are definitely going to be using that in the cold weather, and it's going to feel amazing. 5 pairs of ankle socks, and some socks that'll keep my feet warm in this cold weather. And for pants, I am bringing 5 pairs of jeans because I love wearing denim as a basic everyday outfit, and 3 leggings to keep me cozy and chill at the cabin. And since it's most likely going to be snowing the first day we're getting there, I am bringing a hat because I don't want to freeze my ears off, and I'm going to be bringing this super cute infinity scarf that will go with a lot of my outfits that I have planned. For shoes, I'm going to be bringing my classic black pair of Nikes in case we do any hiking, and plus they're just really comfy shoes for walking that we'll be doing. And I'm bringing my pair of yellow Crocs to use for shower shoes and to just use when I'm getting in and out of the hot tub. And I'm bringing my pair of white Sperry boots because these keep my feet so warm, and they're just a really cute piece to go with all my outfits. Now for all of my toiletries that I'm bringing, I'm going to be carrying them in this super cute shower caddy. So for my toiletry basics, I'm bringing shampoo, conditioner, this really cute soap I got from Bath & Body Works called Pink Confetti, and a hair mask from Bath & Body too if I'm feeling like I need a relaxing pampering session. For my teeth routine, I am bringing toothpaste, and my electronic Sonicare toothbrush, and of course it's in pink, mouthwash, and my retainer, which I'm not gonna show that to you because that would be kind of weird. And we can't forget about flossers. For my skincare routine, I usually use Proactive, but right now I'm just using a skincare product by Bliss that I got from Kohl's, and it's just a really nice smooth formula that I use every day. And I'm also using the lotion called Hope by Philosophy. For my hair routine, I'm bringing what I like to use every day in my hair to really define my curls, and it's a basic leave-in conditioner by Garnier Whole Blends. I also like to set my hair with some hairspray, and right now I am obsessed with Love Beauty and Planet, so I'm using some of their hairspray as well as their coconut scented deodorant. For personal care, I will be bringing some luxurious bath bombs to use in the bathtub. I'm also going to be bringing some Bath & Body Works fragrance spray in the scent Rose. It is one of my all-time favorites. And your girl's gonna be bringing some chapstick because I just spent the past week playing in a pit orchestra for rehearsals and performances like every day of the week, so my lips are begging for moisturizer. That is all the toiletries that I am going to be bringing with me on this trip, and luckily they all fit nice and snug right in my super adorable shower caddy. For the camera equipment that I'm going to be bringing on this trip, I am bringing my super cute camera strap that I got off of Amazon, as well as my super cute leather case that I have for my Canon G7X. I cannot forget my battery charger, and I'm going to be using my super useful tripod that I got off of Amazon as well. The rest of the technology that I'm bringing with me are the essentials that I carry with me every day, including my MacBook Pro, my iPhone X, my AirPods, and my Apple Watch 4. Two purses that I'm going to be bringing with me are the Dana Buchman brand, and this one is just a simple crossbody that's basic for my phone and just my ID and whatnot, and this bigger shoulder bag that can carry like an iPad and anything else that I need. And now for the most important part of the packing list, road trip snacks. I'm bringing Welch's Fruit Snacks, squeezable applesauce, sweet and salty Chex Mix, Cheez-Its, Nature Valley granola bars, and a couple of Nutri-Grain bars. Of course, I can't travel anywhere out of Ohio without sporting my super cute Delta Zeta flag. One of my sorority sisters is actually coming on the trip, and we are for sure going to be taking a ton of cute pictures together. Shout out to Alexis VDB if you're watching this right now. And finally, it's time to cram all of this awesome stuff into my suitcase. Thank you so much for watching till the end of this video, and if you did stick around to the end, go ahead and comment "I love mountains" down in the comment section. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, and be sure to hit that bell button too so you get notified every time I post a new video. And you'll definitely want to stay in tune this week. I'm going to be posting a bunch of super fun vlogs from my next 5 days here in Gatlinburg. Again, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the rest of this crazy week. Bye!